Hello everyone. Today's lesson is about the past simple. Yesterday I was sick. My mother and her friend were on a holiday last month. Last time. Yesterday. Last week. Last month. These are time indicators. They indicate the past. That's right. Today we will learn the past simple. Let's conjugate the verb be in the past simple. I, he, she, it was. I was sick the day before yesterday. You, we, they were. My parents were absent last week. Let's turn the last couple of examples into the negative form. We add not after was or were. I was not or wasn't sick the day before yesterday. My parents were not or weren't absent last week. Let's make questions out of them. I was becomes, were you sick the day before yesterday? My parents were becomes, were my parents absent last week? Short answers are the easiest. Were you happy last night? Yes, I was. Or, no, I wasn't. Yes, we were. Or, no, we weren't. In the past simple, we have regular and irregular verbs. We add ed to regular verbs, or only d to verbs which end with an e. Play, played. Like, liked. We use did to form questions. You played football yesterday. Did you play football yesterday? We use didn't to form negatives. You didn't play football yesterday. You played tennis. There are also irregular verbs. You must learn them by heart. Take, took. Give, gave. See, saw. Let's take a look at this table. Affirmative form. I, he, she, it. You, we, they. Saw Ariana yesterday. In the interrogative form. Did I, he, she, it, you, we, they see Ariana yesterday? Negative form. I, he, she, it, you, we, they didn't see Ariana yesterday. Remember that in English, when the first verb is conjugated, the second one is always unconjugated. Did you speak English in high school? Did is already conjugated, so speak is at the infinitive. Excellent! So we have come to the end of this lesson. If you understood it, click here to move on to the next one. If you didn't understand anything, restart the video again. See you guys next!